Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop Google Chrome browser notifications. Here we got some notifications. So from YouTube, Mail and eBay, and you might have from other notifications. So you need to, if you want to disable them, is you need to go to Google Chrome browser here, Google Chrome browser, and then you go to settings, click on here, and then find settings. All right, here you go to privacy and security. So on privacy and security, you find click on site settings. We found site settings here. Click on site settings, notifications. So we need to choose which one we want to stop, which one to stop notifying us, which one you want to stop notifying you. So we got here YouTube. You just here YouTube. So here we choose YouTube. Again, this notifications, you see notification is on, allowed. So you need to disallow or to block or ask default, but I prefer to block notifications from YouTube. This has been blocked. So go back here, go back, and then you go to other ones. UK Amazon use, okay, blocked notification. John Lewis allowed. Yeah, I keep it allowed if you want to block. So each website you just choose here and then go to notifications to put block or allow or ask default. Then you will not see any more notifications from YouTube or any site you blocked. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.